If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To combine several files of supported formats together to create one PDF in Acrobat, click the All Tools button in the top bar of Acrobat. Then click the Combine Files tool in the All Tools panel at the left side of the window to show the Combine Files view in Acrobat to the right. If you haven't added any files to combine yet, then the main document window in the Combine Files view shows an Add Files button and an Add Open Files button. After adding files, thumbnail images of those files appear here instead. To add the files to combine in Acrobat, click the Add Files drop-down button in the toolbar at the top of the Combine Files view. Then select the command to use to choose the files to combine from the Add Files button's drop-down menu. To choose individual files to combine, select the Add Files command in the drop-down menu to open the Add Files dialog box. Use this dialog box to find the file or files to combine. If the files to combine are saved within the same folder, you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then click to select them to select multiple files from a single folder. However, if the files to combine are saved into different folders, you must instead add them from each folder using this dialog box. After selecting a file or files to combine, click the Open button in the Add Files dialog box to add the file or files. Alternatively, to add PDFs to combine from the opened files in Acrobat, choose the Add Open Files command in the drop-down menu to open the Open PDF Files dialog box, where you can select from the PDF files already opened in Acrobat, and then click the Add Files button. Alternatively, to add all supported files from a folder to combine in Acrobat, choose the Add Folders command from the drop-down menu to open the Browse for Folder dialog box. Then select the folder within which to add all files, and then click the OK button. Alternatively, to add a file from a scanner to combine in Acrobat, select the Add PDF from Scanner command to open the Scan and OCR screen, where you can follow the on-screen instructions to scan the content to add to the Combine Files view. Alternatively, to add a web page to combine in Acrobat, select the Add Web Page choice and then enter a web page URL in the Add Web Page dialog box that opens, or use the Browse button to select a local web page and then click the Add button to finish. Alternatively, to add pages from content you previously copied to your clipboard to combine in Acrobat, select the Add from Clipboard choice. Alternatively, to add content from email applications to combine in Acrobat, select the Add Email command to show the Add Email Informational dialog box, which tells you to drag and drop one or more emails from Outlook or Lotus Notes directly into the Combine Files view. Also, note that you can drag and drop files from your File Explorer in your computer's operating system directly into the Combine Files view to add the files as well. Any files you add to the Combine Files document window in Acrobat appear as thumbnail images. To rearrange the order of files before combining them, click and drag a file to move it to the desired location. As you drag it, a blue line appears between the other file thumbnails, showing where you will place the file when you release the mouse button. Then release the mouse button when the file is in the desired location. To remove a file from the Combine Files view in Acrobat, click its file thumbnail, and then press your keyboard's Delete key, or click the Remove Selected Items button in the toolbar at the top of the Combine Files view. To control how to combine the files in Acrobat, click the Options button in the toolbar at the top of the Combine Files view to open an Options dialog box. To select the file compression for the new combined PDF file, select a button choice for the file size setting. The smaller file size button is best for on-screen viewing, like a computer or cell phone. The default file size button is best for reliable viewing for most documents. Acrobat won't adjust the file size or quality if you choose this button. The larger file size button is best for PDFs intended for printing. To always enable accessibility and reflow, check the Always Enable Accessibility and Reflow checkbox. To always add bookmarks to PDF files, check the Always Add Bookmarks to Adobe PDF checkbox. To continue combining the files even if an error occurs, check the Continue Combining if an error occurs checkbox. To save the new combined PDF as a PDF portfolio rather than a single PDF, check the Save as PDF Portfolio checkbox. If checked, to then also convert all files to PDF before adding them to the PDF portfolio, check the Convert All Files to PDF when creating a portfolio checkbox. To delete the source files after combining them, check the Always Delete Source Files After Combining checkbox. Then, click the OK button to apply your desired options. To then create the combined PDF in Acrobat, click the Combine button towards the right end of the toolbar at the top of the Combine Files view. Depending on the size and number of PDFs to combine, a progress bar appears to show Acrobat's progress. When the operation is finished, the new combined PDF opens in Acrobat's main document window. You can then save the new combined PDF file. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.